Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here. Saturday the 18th of August. Lots and lots to go through today with you, but we'll try and keep it as short as we can. First of all, satellite picture showing quite well the tropical storm stroke Hurricane Gordon out here in the Atlantic at the moment. Here's the UK, look, going down through Spain and Portugal here, and there is the infamous storm. Here are the Azores Islands, which is what we're watching it move towards. There's Madeira, and here are the Canaries. Now, the track of Gordon looks like taking it just into the southeastern portion of the Azores Islands during the course of this weekend into next week, before it gets absorbed into low pressure west of the British Isles. So certainly some goings on. Now, another area of storms that we're watching, if we just come a little bit further south, again, here are the Canary Islands, but it's this area here. Some very active conditions at the moment, look like developing across the Atlantic. Now, this is the breeding ground for hurricanes, and as these move across these areas of thunderstorms, it looks like they're going to be tracking themselves into hurricanes and tropical storms. So the Atlantic is about to really start to take hold. But what about the forecast for Gordon? Well, this is how the National Hurricane Centre sees it. I should have said, by the way, that this satellite picture is from the University of Dundee, and it's a Meteosat picture from 7 o'clock this morning. So this is where Gordon was positioned during, or is forecast to be positioned by the National Hurricane Centre, and this is over the next 5 days, and it's wind speed probability. So it's the probability of the wind speeds exceeding 39 miles per hour during the next 5 days. And the purple is the high probabilities, and then we go down to greens, and this dark green is just a 5% chance. So you can follow the track of the tropical storm stroke hurricane look as it comes north, as it comes east, and then east northeastwards to the south of the Azores Islands. So it looks like there will be some very windy conditions across the southern parts of the Azores as we head into the early part of next week. And it's picked up quite well on the ensemble models too. The date and time is up here in the top right hand corner. These go in 12-hour steps, but there is tropical storm stroke Hurricane Gordon at the moment just to the southwest of the Azores in the Atlantic. But watch what happens, look, as the sequence progresses. Just look how it develops, and it slips to be eastwards of the Azores Islands into next week before it becomes absorbed into this trough that's to the north, and then it just really puts moisture and heat energy into that trough towards the north, and then we just find this ridge building through. So it does dissipate very quickly, and the reason for that dissipation, if we just go backwards, is that sea surface temperatures are way above normal within this area just at the moment. But as the tropical storm tracks northeastwards, it loses the energy, the food essentially, of that warmer water, and once that happens, within hours the tropical storm just collapses into nothing. I'll keep you informed as to the exact positions as to where Gordon is over the coming days, but let's get back to home now and just look at what's going on during the next few hours and days. This is the chart, not that one, we want this one. There's the chart for 7 o'clock this morning. Got this warm southerly flow across the country at the moment. Cloud and outbreaks of drizzle affecting northern parts of England and the western parts of Wales during today, courtesy of an old front. Now, what we're going to find is that that front just lingers around, bringing cloud and muggy conditions through the Midlands, eastern Wales, parts of southwest England through this afternoon. But the southeast should be much brighter with some sunny spells. Cooler with 1 or 2 showers across northern and western Scotland and also the west of Ireland. Overnight tonight, still some cloud around in central areas of the country, bringing some outbreaks of drizzle. And I think we could be seeing some showers or some shower outbreaks of rain just clipping into this southeastern corner. You'll notice too that we get another area of moisture just moving northeastwards into western Wales, southwestern England later on in the night, bringing some drizzle here. But I think for many areas, as you can see, it is going to be a generally dry night. And then through Sunday, that area of moisture and drizzle and outbreaks of rain continue across southwest England, southern and central Wales. They'll be tracking their way slowly eastwards, but for eastern counties of England it stays largely dry with sunny spells, just the risk of an odd shower. Now these showers and outbreaks of rain just try to get their way into northern England, particularly the northeast, during the course of Sunday afternoon, and it looks as if some of those could become quite heavy and thundery as the moisture just hits the warmer air that's to the east at the moment, and could be some thunderstorms, some pretty torrential ones breaking out across northeast England Sunday afternoon. Much brighter for Scotland, northwest England becoming brighter in western Wales too, but some outbreaks of rain affecting Western Ireland later in the day. Overnight into Monday we'll find some thundery showers just clipping the coast of Kent, but we should find the thundery showers clearing into the North Sea from northeast England. Elsewhere it's a largely dry night with some clear skies around, and looks as if those clearer skies continue through the course of Monday morning. There could be some showers around though on Monday, just triggering off across central parts of the country and Wales, triggered by the heat of the day here. We'll be up to 24 or 25 degrees. 1 or 2 showers for western Scotland and the western parts of Ireland, but dry for many. And then heading overnight into Tuesday we'll find clearer skies around, but still some showers affecting western parts of Scotland and also parts of Ireland, but for many it should be dry. Into Tuesday, some more persistent rain moving its way through Scotland and Ireland, and also some showers for western Wales, but for many parts of England, southern Scotland and eastern Wales it should be a dry day. And then as we get in towards Wednesday, well, we're going to find that westerly flow just continues through the course of Wednesday into Thursday, and I think what that will do is it'll just bring some showers across these western coasts. For many though, you can see Thursday's a dry day with some sunny spells around. And then into Friday, well, we find a ridge of high pressure is still around, so we've still got some dry weather to contend with during the course of Friday, but it does look as if we could find 1 or 2 showers again for western Scotland, perhaps western Wales, but just look at this area of low pressure. This has got the moisture in it from Tropical Storm, former Hurricane Gordon, and it brings in some very wet weather into Ireland during the course of Friday afternoon, although most of England, Wales, Scotland look just stay completely dry. However, into Saturday, looks like that area of low pressure drifts its way eastwards, so I think we're looking at some periods of heavy rain and some very strong winds to end the forecast as we go through next Saturday and into Sunday with this low pressure area moving through. So if we just pick up on the ensemble where we left off there on the 26th, which is Sunday the 26th, you'll see that area of low pressure look just crossing the country here. I think what we'll find is that that low hangs around as we head into Monday the 27th. It clears eastwards though, and then we find a ridge just building from the far west. So I think what we'll find is during that bank holiday week, conditions should improve across western areas, although there will always be some showers out towards the east. And then we're showing a westerly flow just trying to get going heading into the early part of September. So I think we could find a couple of fine days at the end of August, but then we go back into these westerlies to start off the beginning of September, and that could bring some more outbreaks of rain across Scotland, northern England and also Wales as well. And you can see there quite a straight run of westerlies across the Atlantic as the jet stream becomes established. I'm still sniffing around for some better weather at the early part of September, but it may be the 5th or the 6th before that finally arrives. Okay, lots of information there for you again, so we'll leave it at that for now, but thanks again for watching. As always, the site's kept free of charge by the adverts you see around the screen, so please do come back and visit regularly, use the charts, tell your friends about the site, because by showing you more adverts that means that it generates more revenue, which keeps the site free of charge. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you updated on the hurricane, and bye for now. Keep the sun shining.